Okay, so with the shimmy, to introduce this movement, I'm definitely gonna come closer because this is much easier this way. So it's much more easier than maybe it looks sometimes, because you just switch your shoulders back and forth, the left and the right shoulders back and forth. It looks better, I think, when you do it quickly. And but you see mostly on shows, when you see this movement, it's an upper body shake or a boobs shake, if that feels better for you. So, but basically that's it. Switching shoulders from side to side. You could do it quickly, you could do it more slowly, or walk with it. That's great too. So that's it. This is my how to do shimmy tutorial. I hope you found it interesting and had fun at the same time. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel to get notified when another burlesque tutorial videos or any showgirl, chair dance, exotic floor work videos will be live. And let's stay connected. You will find the links to my Facebook and Instagram profiles in the description below, and see you next time. Bye.